Right, on to another day, and we're going to Cascade Minissy. Minissy? Minissy?
Minissy.
Minissy. Cascade Minissy. Just on the edge of heading towards Verda and Mocha. Yeah, obviously you can see finally the sun's beaming, sun's out after a few days of rain. Yeah, follow me on this little trail through like the farmland. That's it, the sugarcane fields. And yeah, see what this waterfall looks like. To be fair, I've never actually been to this one in all the times I've been to Mauritius, so yeah, okay, stay tuned. Oh yeah, quick side note, forgot, just picked this up. Pineapple confit, or however you want to call it, but wait till you see the one I get on pick-off flag. That confit is amazing on the beach, stay tuned. Yeah, so a bit too many people there for everyone's liking. I mean, it's too crowded. I was gonna head down to the bottom, but yeah, there's no point. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to come and reschedule coming back here to another day, and we will be hitting another one. Where are we going now? Albion.
Now we're going to the lighthouse.
We're
going to the lighthouse in Albion.
Yeah, so we're going to the lighthouse now because hopefully there'll be a little bit less people there. But who knows?